My brother's not in the mood today.
Psych! Baby, it's a fresh, yours truly here with 1,118 subscribers! Woo!
This part
Guys, I would not be able to do without Mod Dog. I'm gonna put his little Instagram here. If you are a small YouTube channel trying to gain, y'all go check him out. I'll put his Instagram in the link in the description. And yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think of my new hair. Shaved my face, cut myself a little bit while shaving, but it's okay. My forehead looks bigger with this haircut, but it's okay. And yeah, so let me do my intro.
And I have...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm yours truly, and you are truly welcome to my channel. And this is Vlogtober day 13. And today, oh yeah, guys, I also straightened my sister's hair. Let me know what y'all think. She hit her leg.
I'm a freaking toe.
On the freaking table there. Straightening her hair. Y'all can see. But you fixed it back. Okay. Yeah, guys. So today's Vlogtober day 13, and I hope you are excited because we are about to make Halloween slime. We have all this stuff. Yeah. So we have orange and black for like Halloween colors, and then we have some glue right here. We have some cornstarch baby powder with lavender, so it's gonna smell like lavender after we make it. And we have these little bowls to put our stuff in, and we have a knife to cut the things. I have my root beer, which April's is done because her mouth's gonna get dry with talking in this video. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get started. What we're gonna do first is cut these markers so we can get our color, and I have black. So, oh wait, maybe, do you want to get a napkin? Get one of those napkins right there. We'll get like two.
Oh, did you get two?
No, wait, get another one, because like, you're going to need one underneath yours.
Well.
There's the only one.
Yeah, there's only one.
It's okay, I'll just give you mine afterwards. Okay, guys, so I'm going to cut the marker in half.
I'm scared. Joseph!
Hey, bro, watch out, stupid.
Oh my god, you know I'm right here.
Guys, we can never do a video without arguing. Did it work?
That is so cool. Joseph, put it on the freaking...
Wait, did it come out? Like...
Yes, Joseph.
Wait, oh, where's mine? Is this it?
Yeah.
No, that's not it.
It's half of it.
No, you have to like... do this.
Joseph, be careful.
And get the ink out. Trying to get the ink out.
You have to like,
I think I'm gonna cut this.
Cut it. Joseph, be careful. Dad.
Hey, bro, you can cover yourself with this.
Guys, I don't know if this is dangerous, but don't try this at home.
Joseph, oh my god. Stop.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'm
guys,
scared.
is this gonna work? Cause honestly... Oh.
Should we just make it like white? Is it coming out?
A lot. Kinda. It's kinda working. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Because it's black. Hold on,
Yeah,
let me
it's
see.
black. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna try to get some ink out of this.
Oh my god.
April, let me see. You're gonna have to...
Wait, hold this.
Oh my god. The orange looks like it's coming out more than the black. Yeah, like stain it in there.
You're making me mad.
Oh, look! Okay. Well, leave a spot for your glue.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to cut this open.
You're not gonna be able to.
Mom.
Yeah, I didn't put
No, April, do what I'm doing. Look, it works.
It's not making me
Like, no, look. Stupid.
Oh, let me see.
Look.
Oh, let me see.
You can use this little piece too.
Let me see.
Save spot for the glue.
Okay, let me see.
So put it only in that spot.
Joseph.
I'm sorry. Yo, this is kind of cool. Well,
You want to eat some of this?
Oh my god, Joseph, be careful.
It's open.
Oh, I want to show you.
Kind of see it.
It's just like.
It's because these are black.
Hmm?
It's because the little bowls are black. That's why I wanted the clear container.
Did I get on my face?
No. Yes! Guys, look, she got it on her face. If we get next to the camera.
It's okay, I'll be fine. It's just record.
Okay. Let's see.
Look!
Next step, guys, we're gonna pour in
It's not
the.
bad.
No, stupid. It's washable, it's dummy.
It's stain my face.
No, it's not. It's washable.
Wait, make it this.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna look, guys. We bought a baby glue. Show them.
This is my
baby glue. We're gonna use. Okay, we can both use some out of this because this is so cute. I don't even want to destroy it.
Me either. I want it.
Little.
I want it for a decoration.
Bitch, what?
You see.
We're both gonna use some of baby glue because no baby glue. Baby glue! The marker fell into baby glue. Here, baby glue. Ava, what are you doing? Hurry up. Let me see.
Wait, I want to do it.
Oh, here, put it in there. She can put it in there. Guys, look. I put the baby glue in there.
How much do we put?
However much.
Do I just put the whole thing?
Oh, wait. I feel like we should have put cornstarch in there first.
No.
Why?
Because you have to put the glue first.
You do?
Yes.
And you have to make the color first, or what?
You want.
Look! It got the black on there.
It's like turning blue. Should we
Yours
move
is
it?
turning blue?
No, yours is.
No, it's turning black.
Look.
Hey, bro, it's turning black. Look, you can color the glue. Look, guys, I can color it.
Look. Just oh my god, wait. Should we mix it?
Yeah, we can mix it with the marker.
No, I want to mix it with
Guys, this is pretty cool.
Or I can just do
Oh,
this.
no. What do I do? Okay. We can use a big one for ourselves, April. Is it working on yours?
No.
Really?
Like, it was working like a little.
Okay, I'm gonna use this.
Oh,
You
it
can
is.
use a big one.
Oh, it is. It's working.
It kind of is.
It's like really light. Hold on. Should I show them?
If you want.
Actually, I want it to be a surprise.
I want to get more black. Guys, look. I poured all the glue in there, so now I'm going to put more black. Let's see if I can put more black in
It's
here.
like train. Oh, it's like light. It's like light coverage.
Mine looks blue.
I told you.
A
But
little
no,
bit.
you never listen to me.
Bitch. I was listening. Oh. Mine looks a little bit more blue than black.
Look at mine. Looks like
Give me a knife.
creamsicle. Not that one. Oh. Oh, I thought you meant the freaking big knife. Like, it's like a creamsicle.
Oh my god, it does. Okay, wait, pour more. Pour more glue. Baby glue's out. There't no more glue in there. I used it all. That's why I got you that one, April. I got mad, sorry.
I don't want that much. I'm open it properly.
I want to cut this. I want to get more black. Hold on. I'll be back, guys.
Wow.
Don't look at my butt because I'm not wearing pants.
Yo, I'm gonna cut this like that. No, mine doesn't work. Hold on. Guys, I mean, it's working, but I only put like a little bit of glue in. Y'all, I try to make slime on my freaking own YouTube channel. I tried to make clear slime, but it didn't work.
Did it come out?
What?
Did it come out orange?
Yeah.
Oh, kind of.
I like stab that. Are you doing it?
Kinda.
Wait, let me see. I want it.
Hold on. Oh. Hold on.
I'm dead.
I think
You were not squirting at me. You are getting it, but me.
Look.
It's coming out. Scrape it.
I can. This might work. Okay,
Let me
wait.
see it. I'm gonna try it.
Wait. Let me see if it's trying to. You see it?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna like scrape some in there.
Should I do it with mine?
Here.
But I guess mine is like orange.
April, get off.
You're
Guys,
freaking.
there's our little. What is this? A little notification. Move. It's at 9.
What is?
The video.
It's okay. Change it up, put it long.
Oh. Yeah, I can put it long. I just sometimes I like. Guys, it's more of like a blue color. It didn't come out black. It's like a gray, like a
Just
or like a.
stab
I don't
it.
know. Look at this.
Mine's not coming out, but it's okay. Mine is still like.
No, look. Let me see.
No, be careful.
Let me see.
Just know it's okay. Mine is orange.
Let me see.
Mine is orange. Okay, that's good. That's good. That is good.
Wait, there's a lot right
That-
here. Why didn't you pour more glue?
Oh my god, Joseph.
That bothers me.
No, why?
Guys, look at this.
Should I just open
Mine's just blue. Yeah, open it. Got me mad.
But what happens if it doesn't work and we're just like.
We're wasting glue. It doesn't work, but look, guys, it's like more blue.
Wait. Oh,
looks
you
like
know
a
what I
light
want to
blue.
do? Hold on. I want to do this. Hold on.
I'm gonna try to put the. Should I put the cornstarch, or do you want to do it at the same time?
Okay, you can put it.
Oh, I need a drink.
Oh my, should I put all of it?
If you want.
I was like, glue is really hard to get out.
Y'all, if y'all haven't subscribed to my ASMR channel, please go do it. Cause like around next month, I'm getting a mic and I'm gonna start ASMR. I know my hands are kind of dirty. Oh no! I'm so excited.
Oh my god, we destroyed
Okay,
that
you heard
marker. Okay, that's enough, Joseph. You can deactivate your freaking slime.
How?
Putting too much.
Really?
Yeah.
My jacket. I don't smell good anyways. Oh.
Is that turning orange?
Really, bro?
Bitch!
Oh, I got all mad at you.
Is it working?
Kinda. I think. Should I get a big spoon? Like a plastic spoon?
If you want.
I feel like we need to mix it in good. Look, y'all.
It's like.
Mom's gonna get so mad if she sees all this powder.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all know Mexican.
Mine is okay.
Put a little bit of it in yours. Or do you want to use salt? People use salt too.
No.
Did you say no because you just want to be mean?
Huh?
You say no because you want to be mean.
What?
Yo, I'm gonna tell you we're about to be mean.
Y'all don't even see how he acts off of camera.
Bitch, I'm nice off of camera.
Oh my god, if y'all meet him.
Bitch, shut up.
No!
First of all,
No!
yo, we might put this in the fridge. So doesn't it get stick together if it's in the fridge?
Joseph!
What? Trying to make this.
I'm not gonna put that. I'm still mixing it out. Is that a pretty color?
Yes. Oh. I heard if you microwave it too, it comes fine. Y'all, so I'm gonna stop the camera and we're gonna try to get it to slime and we're gonna put it in the fridge and I'm gonna set a timer. So yeah. See you in a little bit. April's adding her powder right now.